everyone, this is Tom from Lanfan Industry. Today I will show you our 480 liter centrifuge. You can see it's a very big monster centrifuge. And it can handle 250 pounds biomass per batch, and the highest speed can reach 1000 RPM. It covers hydraulic cylinder to open and close. Hydraulic cylinder, so it is easy to open and close the cover. And on the cover, you can see it's a explosion-proof LED light, so you can see the extraction in the rotary drum clearly. And also the filter bag. Filter bag, we designed the handle on the bag, easy to take it out. And the operation panel is touch screen. Touch screen panel. You can operate the centrifuge on the panel. And we designed isolation cover for the centrifuge. So we connect the chiller and the centrifuge. We can put the temperature from room temperature to minus 60 degrees, and within 40 minutes, you can see the chiller. And you can see the cover is very, very tall and taller than me. And the motto is explosion-proof motto. You can say AX. And here is the cabinet, the control cabinet here.